Jaguar 2018 2 litre R Sport, in for timing chain issue, a pilot solenoid issue. We'll put it through the diagnostic machine and check what fault codes come up. Just pulled out an engine out of 2018 Jaguar, 30,000 miles. So yeah, we've got to do the rear timing chains in it, as you can see. What a disaster. 30,000 miles. So yeah, the timing chain's at the back of the engine, as you can see around back here. So all of this needs to be opened, and we're going to see the problem with the chain when we open everything. Remove the timing covers now, as you can see, and all the rattling was coming from here. Can you see how much play there is? Let me try and zoom in here. Look at that gap all the way. So when you start it, the rattling should never be like this. All here. So yeah, we're going to replace this chain, sliders, tensioners, bottom chain, slider, tensioner. Fitted a new timing chain now. All the sliders, tensioners, chains all on. Spun the engine a few times and the timings mark went on back on. So yeah, I'm happy to assemble the vehicle now. All brand new sliders, tensioners. Yeah, let's put everything back. Right, this is a water pump now, and as you can see it's leaking, so we're going to replace that with a brand new one. We replaced the turbo already, genuine. And just want to show you the genuine water pump. Brand new from Jaguar Land Rover. Right, remove the water pump now. This one here. Can you see? And if you guys haven't seen what's behind the water pump, is that where the water chamber is, and it circulates, pushes it through. So we're just going to put the new one on now. Engine's all ready to go in now. The water pump's brand new. Done a piston solenoid. Turbo's brand new, chain covers back on. So yeah, let's put it in the vehicle. Engine's in now, so I can start attaching all the wiring, pipes, vacuum, fuel lines, and then after we'll attach the gearbox, exhaust system, and then we're good to fire up. Ready to start the vehicle now. Everything's all assembled, all the plugs, coolant pipes, wiring, exhaust is on, gearbox is on. So that's it. Barry, start it. Sounds healthy. I'm happy with that. Alright, turn it off, Barry. That's it, and I just got to assemble all the wipers, scuttle panel, and go for a test drive. Back from test drive, I'm happy with it. No engine lights, no fault codes. Yeah, another successful job done. Bit of a long job, but I'm happy with it. Time to give it to the customer.